Friday Flyday. It's Friday Flyday, and what I've been doing on my Friday Flyday, I've been flying in and out of a confined area in our new spot. Now, you've seen before, I've been down there with the boys and we're going to make a drone delivery landing area. You might also remember that in our previous property I set up a landing pad that was a QR code, and I was trying to ensnare any of the main incumbents to see if I could reverse engineer their machines. Now all it is it's the lat long of the delivery point in the centre, and Jeff Bezos very kindly suggested that that's exactly what they were going to do with Amazon a little while later. So I have prior art, if that's what they end up doing and they patent it. I have prior art. It was my idea, hands off Bezos. They're actually using it for the Outback Challenge this year or something similar as well. I also thought about a approach chart. An approach chart. Why an approach chart and departure chart? So that I don't annoy my neighbours. Why should they have to worry about the noise of a drone coming over their properties? And also it would give a uniform way in and out of a place. There's no doubt there will be some form of drone airways moving forwards. One of the things that has happened since I set that up was a thing called What 3 Words has been invented. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the wording changing, and that's an address for each of those 3x3 meter squares, and I think that's pretty cool. So let's choose exactly which square I'm going to have, and let's see, there, dropping exist.tal, dropping.exist.tal. That's very cool. That's very hitchhikers. That'll do for us. So flying in and out of the confined area via FPV, it's not as easy as people say it is. I'm no racer, and my spatial awareness was terrible. It is just like looking down a straw, really. You've no idea what's behind you, and it put me very much in mind of a drone that came out just last week. That drone is the SkyDo R1, and that's got 12 cameras and quite a chunky processor from NVIDIA in there to sort it out. Now it stores, I think, up to 15 seconds of 3D information, and it stops itself hitting things using that information, and it will track you. And of course they're setting it up as a selfie drone, which is nonsense. I want it in my delivery drone. Yes, I'm going to clear the area a little bit, but in a delivery or inspection drone it'll be fantastic.